Valentine wall decor is one of the easiest ways to instantly transform a space with love, warmth, and creativity. DIY wall decorations add a personal touch that store-bought pieces simply can't match. From handmade garlands to romantic art displays, your walls can tell a beautiful Valentine story. Let's explore DIY Valentine wall decor ideas that bring charm, personality, and heartfelt style into every room. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What DIY wall art is easy to create? Frame love quotes, heart patterns, or handmade collages. Simple art pieces instantly elevate blank walls with Valentine charm. Art displayed, like this, if your wall looks beautifully styled. What DIY hanging decor works well on walls? Create hanging hearts, tassels, or paper fans. Layered hanging pieces add movement and visual interest to your Valentine walls. Hanging decor ready? Like this if your wall feels lively and fun. What colors work best for Valentine wall decor? Pink, red, and white are classic, while blush or rose gold adds elegance. Limiting your palette keeps the wall design clean and balanced. Palette ready? Like this if your colors feel soft and romantic. What about using letters or words on walls? Spell out words like love or XO using cutouts or wooden letters. Statement words make your wall decor bold and eye-catching. Letters placed like this if your wall speaks love. How do I finish my Valentine wall setup? Step back and adjust spacing, height, and balance. Add one focal piece to tie everything together for a polished look. Finish perfectly, like this if your wall is Valentine ready. How do I decorate walls without damaging them? Use removable hooks, washi tape, or adhesive strips. These allow you to decorate freely without leaving marks behind. Damage-free? Like this if your decor stays stress-free. How do I choose a wall theme for Valentine decor? Start by selecting a mood: romantic, playful, or minimal. A clear theme helps you choose colors, textures, and DIY projects that work together beautifully. Theme chosen? Like this if your wall vision feels just right. How do I add texture to Valentine wall decor? Use fabric banners, yarn art, or layered paper pieces. Texture creates depth and makes your wall decor feel richer and warmer. Texture added? Like this if your wall feels extra inviting. How can I make a DIY heart garland for walls? Cut hearts from paper, felt, or fabric and string them with twine. Hang vertically or horizontally for a sweet handmade wall accent. Garland hung? Like this if your wall already feels festive. Can I add lights to Valentine wall decor? Yes, use fairy lights or heartstring lights. Soft lighting enhances the romantic mood and highlights your DIY pieces beautifully. Lights glowing? Like this if your wall sparkles gently. Can I use shelves for Valentine wall styling? Absolutely. Decorate shelves with candles, mini florals, or signs. Wall shelves let you style vertically while keeping things functional. Shelves styled? Like this if your wall feels cozy and complete. Can I use photos in Valentine wall decor? Yes, create a photo banner or framed memory wall. Personal photos add warmth and make your decor feel meaningful and unique. Memories added, like this if your wall feels heartfelt and personal.